said you wanted something a little versatile, something cute, something sleek, right?
That's exactly.
What do you normally wear?
I usually wear my hair sleek, curly.
Okay.
I like that kind of stuff.
And like in a natural black type of situation.
Yes.
Yeah. We did get a lot of great natural black pieces in this past week, so today I'm going to be showing you a couple of them, and you just let me know which one you think will work best for your day tonight.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good.
All right, sweet. So our first one is going to be this sweet little halo. The benefits of the halo is going to be that you can just kind of like add it into your hair. If you just like have like your natural hair straightened and you just want a little bit of extra body and volume, this is going to be a nice little clip-in situation, as you guys can see. It's going to have a couple of bundles sewn into it, and it's really just a nice quick throw-on type of a thing. Yes. I know.
Super nice.
It is, and it's really full too, so that could be really great for you. The next one is good old trusty bundles. You know how that goes.
Yes.
These are going to be some 28-inch loose wave units or bundles here, and with the 28-inch you can get the traditional install, which is going to be just kind of like right up here. You're going to just have like a bit of leave out there for you. You can get that nice fullness in there, or you can even do a half sew-in where you leave a bit more hair out at the top there, but this can also get you a really, really nice natural look. So,
I like minimal leave out.
yes. Okay, so this will be a good one. The more bundles, the less leave out, or the more leave out, the less leave out. I'm like... Okay, and for our next product we have is going to be our tape-ins. I know you said that you were a big fan of the tape-ins. Have you done tape-ins?
I have not done tape-ins yet, but I am hoping that you guys give me a great experience and maybe I could do tape-ins
For
today.
sure. We did just introduce these tape-ins, so you're going to see these here. In each set, they're going to come with 40 pieces. The 40 pieces are going to lay nice and flat against the scalp, so that way you'll have a really, really nice, flat, natural, sleek look to it. And as you can see, it doesn't get any better than like this body and volume and bounce too. So we can get that in for you if you'd like. And lastly, we have our nice little traditional clip-ins here. These are the two little ones right there. But these clip-ins, there's going to be 7 pieces in each pack of the clip-ins. You can also go ahead and add this into your natural hair, layer it in there. And the benefits of the clip-ins are also going to be just how flat it's able to lay against the head, and just how easy it is to kind of like take them off and on if you want, and install them yourself at home. So we'll be installing it for you today. You really get to choose whatever one you want. What are you thinking? What are you feeling would be the best for tonight?
I'm thinking that I want to do the tape-ins.
Yeah.
I feel like it will be really fun.
For sure.
Exciting.
And you get a nice little versatile look with these tape-ins too. You can pull your hair up into a ponytail if you want. You can pull them down. You can give it nice little curls too. And this is still going to be all of the best hairpin hair that we have, just in the tape-in form. So I think that's a really good choice. I cannot talk right now.
You're doing great.
I keep running over my words.
I'm excited.
Okay, sweet. Yeah, well, we'll get you all settled in. We're gonna get these tape-ins in for Lexi, and then we'll have to check in with you guys after she gets them installed, just so you can see the final look.
Stay tuned for the final look. Alrighty guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. These are the tape-ins, and I believe they're 26-inch, and I'm excited to rock them. So my experience here has been amazing. Everybody's so sweet. Stassi did my hair. We love him here as well. He's very sweet, and everybody's just been really cool. So if you guys are interested in getting tape-in extensions like I did today, make sure you call the number below and subscribe to see all the other videos. See you guys later.